Federal judge ruled today a 27-year-old Cary man charged with making online threats against non-Muslims is a possible danger, a flight risk, and will not receive bond. CBS North Carolina was in the federal courtroom all day during the hearing, and our A.J. Janavel has more on the judge's decisions.
On February 19th, Cary police responded to a tip about a possible attack via an app called Whisper in the home of 27-year-old Garrett Grimsley. Investigators say they found an AK-47 in plain sight, along with nearly 350 rounds of ammunition and 4 30-round magazines. And as they walked in, they say Grimsley was in the process of encrypting his hard drives and immediately asked for an attorney. Wednesday, a federal prosecutor discussed more of Grimsley's past. Using his search history, they said Grimsley had an avid fascination with terrorist mass shootings. Also found in Grimsley's home was a passport in a shelf above a fridge with $2,000. The last stamp on the passport was to China, and prosecutors believe Grimsley had also gone to North Korea. Police said in Grimsley's home were North Korean posters that were anti-U.S. They also said Grimsley had been diagnosed with anxiety and depression in 2011. And in 2010, Grimsley had been convicted of attacking a government official in Wilmington. Grimsley's parents were also questioned, both in the military. Grimsley's mom still serving in the National Guard. His father is a Wilmington firefighter. The parents say they never noticed any red flags before or even after their son was diagnosed with depression and anxiety.
Garrett's family love him, are deeply concerned about him, and they're going to stand by him throughout this entire process.
Grimsley's defense attorney Raymond Tarleton says they respect the court's decision, but believe this is a big misunderstanding.
This was utterly tasteless, dark humor, but there's not an investigation showing a real jihadist plot.
Reporting in Raleigh, A.J. Janavel for CBS North Carolina.
And we do want to note that cameras are not allowed into federal courtrooms. Meanwhile, investigators continue to look into the data found on hard drives in his home. And while Grimsley remains behind bars, no date has been set for his next court appearance.